The train and camel caravan. In 1892, the Ottoman Empire built train tracks in Jerusalem. The Jewish people living in Israel were now busy with the question, what Hebrew name should be given to this modern invention, the train? One suggestion was to call it a sus barzel, which means an iron horse. Another suggestion was agelet, to mean a caravan of wagons, which are agalot. This word was based on the word gamelet, found in the Mishnah. The Mishnah is the first major work of rabbinic literature. There, the word gamelet means a caravan of camels, which are gmalim. In the end, they decided on the word rakevet, which is a combination based on the word rechev, which means vehicle, and the gamelet form from the Mishnah. So the next time you ride the train, remember, you are really just on a modern camel caravan.